Hi, this is Jay Cowering. I think it's week 7. This is November 6th, and I'm just kind of running through my current status. So I'm going to run through an example here. The front end, this is the web crawler, breadth first. We have a max limit of 1, so that's good. Let's say I put in a keyword. We hit the crawler server, and we're going to do a response. Perfect. This is exactly what the data structure and format is supposed to look like. We have our URL, type, hop limit, target. All those 4 variables were sent in by the client. The server's receiving them and going to return them. Then there's the nodes. The nodes is a key value pair of URL and the title and the title that we scraped out from the website. The challenge that we currently have is when I do this, to go multiple pages, heart again, I get stuck in a loop that never finishes. It'll keep going and going. What we can see with the console output is that all of the information starts showing up. We know we got the max depth is 2, so that way we know that we're dealing with this new one. We have this information from the client interface. Cool. We're going to search this URL as the starting URL. Cool. We're going to find all these links and we push them into the search queue. But then we get stuck. And we're getting stuck because we're dealing with async and promises. So this promise was needed just to be able to return the single page crawl when we had a limit of 1. Whenever we go now above 1, we're getting stuck, and this is something that's going to be next on the list to resolve through. Because the intent is that we would do this conditional check if the number of pages that we've actually visited is greater than or equal to the number of pages that we want to visit, or max depth, or our hop limit. Then we're gonna, kind of clean up and wrap up from this code set and create our data structure. This is good. Print it out, and then we return. But the promise is getting in the way. So once the asynchronous nature of this requirement here is resolved, I think the rest of this code is going to go pretty smooth.